a very happy chat. So, moving on to our show, I think the first thing that we want to talk about today is something from the space age, something which is going to be launched next month on 18th of December. And that's right, friends, that is the James Webb Space Telescope. And I thought I'll talk about this today in detail. Well, this telescope is remarkable. First of all, it is almost like 6 times bigger than the current Hubble telescope. So it will have better viewing capabilities. It can see through the vast distances, and in fact, this is 100 times more sensitive than Hubble telescope. So we know, friends, that the Hubble has been mostly helping us to monitor the space and also to know about the universe, unravel the secrets of the universe which have been baffling us for so long. It has done its part, it has played its role, and it has given us a lot of answers to the mysteries of the universe. However, it has reached its end of life, and also it cannot look beyond what its capabilities are. So we need something new, and that is why the James Webb Space Telescope is going to be launched on 18th of December next month, and this is going to be a remarkable piece of machinery. As I said, this is 100 times more more sensitive than Hubble. It will be able to look into the areas far beyond where Hubble has actually reached its the edge. So it is probably going to look beyond that, and how it actually looks in terms of increasing its magnification, because it looks into the infrared spectrum. And when we talk about infrared spectrum, it's basically signature left behind everything in space. So in order to look at the infrared spectrum, it has to be kept at minus 200 degrees centigrade, or about 100 Kelvin. So this is one of the big challenge, and the James Webb Telescope is in making for almost more than 10 years. It has taken a lot of efforts by NASA scientists, and now finally it is ready. First of all, it's quite big, even though it is 100 kilograms lighter than the telescope, Hubble telescope, but still it is quite big. So it is folded like an origami into the space, into the rocket, and then it will be sent to a orbit where it is not affected by Earth's heat signature, because it has to be always maintained at a low temperature, since it is an infrared telescope. That is why, and it has the capability to look into various parts of the space, and it should not be heated up by sun also. That is why the telescope is shielded by a very state of the art shield system, and this will actually be put in the orbit around the sun, whereas this shield is facing the sun. So the apparatus of James Webb telescope will always be protected by any heat or any radiation which can affect the machinery. In terms of the spectrogram which is put uh, on the machinery, is basically to make sure that the all frequencies in the infrared spectrums are analyzed before sending data back to Earth. And this is going to change the our understanding of universe. There are many secrets. For example, there could be secrets around the space around the black hole, and there could be other areas where the we have very little understanding at the just after the Big Bang, what happened. So James Webb will be able to capture the light remnant soon after the Big Bang. So I think it is going to unravel the things which are not visible yet, things which are behind our horizon, which is basically shielded by the galaxy. And that is why, this is something which is going to be very, very exciting for all the space nerds like me. And I thought I'll talk about it. So, friends, this is the first bit of information I want to kickstart the show today. Very interesting lineup is is ahead. So stay tuned. By the way, you can actually engage with us. You can actually join this live stream directly by clicking on the link given in the description below, or you can send in your questions regarding any subject we are discussing, and we will display your chat message and your name and answer your question right away. So friends, we are waiting. Lines are open. You can either connect with us using the link below, and the system will bring you directly into our live stream, or send us a message. So before I go, I take a short break. I'd like to tell you the next session is very, very interesting. And this is about the age of resignation. If you remember, friends, actually, we had covered this in more detail few weeks back, that we are living in age of resignation. However, today we'll be joined by an expert. So stay tuned. I will be back after a short break.